So I'll use the score. So very easy question. Gradually, I will increase the level. Solve it. Quickly, 1 minute question. Every question will have a timer of 1 minute, not more than that.
So can you explain all of the linear equation after this?
I will explain all the rules. But
Yeah.
first, the easy ones, I want you to try it yourself. And Gorish, if you can find a table and chair, that would be great. Chatty.
So I'm currently at my nanny's house, so that's all.
And don't send to me, send to Ragini ma'am, please. So should I assume others have forgotten?
No, sir, I'm sending my answer. I just
sent
I know how to do it. Just solving.
Pahuri, Smiley, have you forgotten?
So I sent it.
And Hacker, Candy, Chatty.
So I sent it.
Sir, I'm sending.
Now what do you mean by I got?
Like we have iPhone, we have iGuy also.
Yeah.
But then there should be no space between
But he
I
can't
got.
be said. That's because I am guy and I is guy.
Dia will join late and yeah, might join. So who has joined? Candy, what's my answer? Candy and Gauri. Candy got it wrong. Okay, guys, look here. So the trick is very, very simple. This is your right hand side. And this is your left hand side. So whenever anything in multiplication changes sides, goes to the other side and becomes division. Multiplication becomes division. Whenever a number changes side from multiply to divide, right to left or left to right, multiply will change into divide. So this 3 is in multiplication with x. It will go to the other side and become division. So x will be equal to 20 upon 3. So Mahuri and Candy and Gauri.
So can you just explain like if it's division, then what happens
If it is division, then it will go to the other side and becomes multiplication. Just एक चीज का आपको ध्यान रखना है. अगर multiplication हो तो पूरी left hand side का multiply होना चाहिए. Is this 3 being multiplied to the whole left hand side? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So then we can take it down to the other side and make it the denominator. Adya, start your camera.
So did not understand.
Yes, who did not understand? Gauri?
So you said that if it's a whole, like
Whole
as a
means
whole.
beta, agar mere paas
I know so whole.
3x plus 5 equals to 20 hota.
Yeah.
So I cannot take this 3 to the denominator of 20 because this 3 is not a multiple of the whole left hand side. Understood?
So what would you do?
Then we will come to this question. Then we'll first take 5 to the right side. Then you can take plus 5 will become minus 5.
Minus 5 and then we'll get
15
then you
3x equal to 15. Then you will divide 15 by 3. Okay.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Agar, see, if a case like this is there, then also 3 is a multiple of the complete left hand side. इस केस में भी मैं ले जा सकता हूँ because ये bracket आते हैं. Okay?
But sir, अगर bracket नहीं होता, then no.
नहीं होता तो मैं नहीं ले जा सकता. अभी मैंने बताया आपको.
तो फिर आपको
Next.
माइनस करके
पहले नंबर को दूसरी साइड ले जाना पड़ता है and then we have to solve.
हाँ जी.
Next question is
हो गई.
y by 8 is equal to 7. Solve for y. Guys, those who couldn't practice the worksheets of linear equations, Beta, for every concept I have, sent you a worksheet. So for every concept I have sent you a worksheet. Make sure you start practicing from there. And this is important for your school exams. This is important for your building of the basics also.
So, but in this term, linear equation and algebra are not coming. I didn't understand this one. Thank God my sister taught me simultaneous linear equations, otherwise I would never. I didn't understand it at all.
So, beta, y is in division. Do you understand this?
Yes,
8
sir.
is in division on the
Yes,
left
sir.
side. So 8 will go to the right side और क्या हो जाएगा इसका?
7 into 8. Whereas
7 into 8. So y will be equal to 8 times 7 or 7 times 8, which is equal to 56.
I brought y down also.
So another thing you must always remember is that equal to should come below the equal to. Equal to should come below the equal to. All right.
So, but here, why won't we send y is equal to 8 times 7? Why would we send 56?
What did you say, Gorish? Repeat.
So, I wanted to ask you, so we usually send like the number, like what's going to happen there? Like 15 by 3, we don't do it and then send it. So, why are you sending y is equal to 56? Why not y is equal to 8 times 7? Why can't we send 8 times 7?
बिकॉज बेटा आप 20/3 को सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते हो क्या 20/3 को द
No.
बेस्ट यू कैन डू इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन बट इसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते यू कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स्ड सो द सेम थिंग 7 into 8 आप कर सकते हो कहीं क्वेश्चन में 7 into 8 आएगा तो आपने कभी लिखा हुआ देखा 7 into 8
No.
because then you can multiply and
Yeah,
here
okay.
it's a fraction so the answer is fraction in this case here the
Understood.
answer is a whole number.
Understood.
Next type of problem when we have a mix of multiplication and division. 3a upon 11 is equal to 15. Solve it. So Mr. I guy,
So
copy of iPhone and Adya.
I'm solving. Yeah, amazing.
So what a pleasant surprise, Mr. I guy, you have done your hair today. That's great.
Yay.
And Adya, beta, smiley yours is also wrong. See kids. यहाँ पे एक नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एक डिवीजन में you can take them one by one to the other side or you can take in one step also. How should I solve? the ones who got it wrong, one by one or in one step? One step kar lein. So 11 isn't division. It goes to the other side, becomes multiplication.
Yeah, I got to that.
And so 3a will be equal to 11 times 15. If you want to do bigger calculations, multiply them. If you don't want to do bigger calculations, wait till the end. 3 is in multiplication on the left hand side, goes to the right hand side and become division. So your A, see guys, equal to ke niche equal to, A is equal to 55. Understood, not understood guys? समझ आया kids?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I wrote 55 only. Sir said 55 only.
So then why did ma'am mark it wrong?
Oh, I sent 5.
Sir, which one children left Olympiad?
It is 5. I sent 5. It is typing
What did
error.
you
I
say?
sent 555 only.
What did you say, Satu?
Who's Satu?
You are Satu. Solve this question now. I just want to see how much you remember. Otherwise, I am going to explain it once again. So Miss Smiley and Adya 1, Adya 2.
Sir, I've sent.
Okay. So Adya 2, look here. This plus 5 is on which side, Adya 2? Miss Adya 2. ये 5 बेटा कौन सी साइड है, राइट साइड है लेफ्ट साइड है?
Right side, sir.
बेटा लेफ्ट साइड, right side is this one on the right of equal to, left side is on the left of equal to. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये जो इक्वल टू के राइट में हो राइट, जो इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट में हो लेफ्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस नंबर. प्लस 5 को मैं कैसे गेट रिड करूंगा? by taking on the right side. So 2x will be equal to 51 minus 5. So 2x will be equal to 46. See guys, equal to के नीचे equal to आना चाहिए in linear equations. Now x will be equal to, this is in multiplication, goes to the other side, becomes division. 46 upon 2, which is 23. All right, understood?
Yes.
Yes. आद्या समझ आया?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm beginning to understand linear equations.
So Didi has also joined. Welcome Didi.
Who is Didi now? Dia?
I don't know.
Everyone has joined.
I thought I saw a participant.
Oh,
I may be hallucinating.
who is Didi?
Mr. Blas sent to ma'am. Answer is correct. Oh, beta, answer is wrong. I'm sorry. I think you made a typing mistake, Mr. Blah. So quick. You guys are so quick to learn. That's great. Guys, you know, in grade 6, most kids struggle in linear equations.
Not that hard. It just
So minus 10 goes to the right side, becomes plus 10. So 3x becomes 10 plus 12. So 3x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22 divide by 3 because 3 was in multiplication. It will go to the right side of equal to become divide. Have we understood, Guy and Adya?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What?
So, like in the previous question, we divided them and we got the answer as 23. So, why did we divide in this one?
Beta, because this is a fraction and only it could be converted to mixed. You cannot simplify more. This got simplified into a whole number. Okay, Smiley?
Yes, sir.
Now with every question, the difficulty level will rise.
So did I. Okay, now this is tough.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It is not.
So what do we have to find the value of x?
Yes.
Okay, this is very.
So how many kids have done linear equations in their schools? At least the solving equations part.
Me.
We've done
No,
half. We have done it.
So, we are going to
And
do
we
it in the
also.
second term. So, we are going to do it in the second term.
Then Gauri, what will you do now? You already know it.
Yeah. So, we'll do integers and linear equations in the second term, both of them.
So you tell your teacher, I already know, please don't teach this anymore to us.
No, sir, it will help, sir. Ma'am will see that I know every answer. I'll not tell her that. Then she'll give me a 5 out of 5 on scoring and talking like and replying. So,
Okay, that's great. So which chapters, Gauri, are coming in your school exam?
so whole numbers, playing with numbers, geometrical shapes, and geometrical shapes. This integers and the geometrical shapes again. I haven't mentioned. There are two more. There are total of say 7 or 6.
This is too tough.
And Sudram, what about your school?
Then what?
Mr. Blah, what about your school? Which chapters are coming?
Numbers, whole numbers and natural numbers, fractions, playing with numbers, integers. Sir, and I think there's one more.
So fractions, Gauri, your fractions is in all, syllabus of all boards, all.
No, sir, we don't have fractions.
You don't have fractions.
We don't have fractions.
That's strange, beta.
So we don't. Geeta, we don't have fractions, right?
So earlier we just did activities on fractions and all because we had the bridge month. NCRT was still uploading all the
So
books.
yeah. So that's why we have
not
activities
any
based on
book till yet.
fractions, but
We
not
are
of the chapter.
it on PDFs.
Okay. So
Yeah.
because of NCRT changing the syllabus, fractions has been removed.
We are
Yes.
doing the bridge month activities, so these chapters are only coming along with
Yeah,
it.
there are 6 chapters and there are 4-5 activities and stuff.
So Candy and Smiley and Mahuri Chetty you also can try once again.
It's
And
a
Gauri
little
and Yubai.
Stand this question.
So should I do it, guys?
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
please
is
can
it
you
9?
wait
So
1
can I correct
minute?
my answer? So is it 9/2?
No.
9/2.
So what will happen, guys? I will do step by step. Once you get practice, you can do it in one step also. First of all, the purpose is to keep all variables on the left side. So the purpose will be what? To keep all variables on the left side. This is my purpose.
Sir, why on the left side? Why not on the right side?
Generally, beta, we keep it on the left side. There is no rule you can keep it on the right side also.
So can you keep it on the right side?
No, I will keep it on the left side. So we try to keep all variables on the left. Guys, it's not a rule, it's just a practice which will help you do your question easier. And all numbers on the right. So this is a practice, no need to write, you can just understand how this works. So then what happens? I will try to shift, or I will just shift -11 to the right hand side. It will become 2x equal to 11 plus 2. So it will become x is also there plus x. So 2x equal to 11 plus 2 plus x. Now this x is going to come on the left side. So it will become minus x. So 2x minus x is equal to 11 plus 2, which is 13. 2x minus x is nothing but x only, x is equal to 3. So what was difficult in this question? I
Because it's too
took care of the numbers. Numbers I moved to the right side, and the x part I moved to the left side. Now,
So
Sudharan,
how did you
there
get
are two reasons why you
how did
find
you
it
get
difficult.
13?
Sir,
Because 11 plus 2.
I didn't know how to write it. I just cut the x, so it was only 1x left.
Okay, beta, that also means that you have understood the concept, but you should know how to write also.
But
Now,
so why
Sudharan,
wouldn't 2 go there and become 13/2?
2 should
13
go
over
there.
2.
Where?
2.
Can you
So
explain
2x.
that?
So why
Beta,
wouldn't 2x go?
because यहाँ पे x भी तो है. अगर मैं 2 को यहाँ ले जाऊंगा, तो it will become 13 plus x divided by 2. Understood?
Oh, तो x और x काट ही जाएंगे.
ऐसे नहीं कटते x और x बेटा, फिर वापस 2 को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता, तो वापस 2 आ जाता. So इसलिए we don't do like that. We take x terms to one side, numbers on the other side, and then we solve it. Smiley,
Okay,
which
sir,
part you did
understood.
not understand? पहले -11 को I moved from the left side to the right side, it became +11. ये समझ आया? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then it becomes 11 plus 2, 13. Then जो plus x था, I moved it to the left hand side, it becomes minus x. 2x minus x is x, which gives me the answer as 13. Understood, guys? So, Sudharam, why you and Smiley have a problem is because Sudharam, आपने वो sessions miss किए थे. We did this when you were gone to Woodstock. And yeah, and even Dia missed and even Smiley missed.
No.
So what's the question number? I'll just write Q.
Sir, even I missed.
But Mahuri, you went through the recordings. I don't know how effective that would be, but you did go through the recordings. So 3x minus 12 is equal to 13 and minus 2x. solve this question. UI, Smiley, Candy, and Adya.
Sir.
Candy,
Sir, I've sent.
okay, ma'am, please check Candy's answer. So G3 summit, guys, listen up. So minus 2x, can I move it to the left side or should I first move 12 to the right side? What should I do?
So 12 to the right side.
So basically it's minus 12 to the right side. So when I move minus 12 to the right side, what will it become?
Plus 12, which will
Plus
be
12,
1.
which will be 13 plus 12 minus 2x. 13 plus 12 is 25. Now,
Oh, so
can I
why
move
wouldn't
this?
so why wouldn't it be so why wouldn't it be turned into 13 plus 2 minus, because like there's minus and then we'll
Because
write,
see,
oh okay.
listen to me. First of all, 13 is a positive number or negative number.
So I remember minus plus is equal to plus.
So minus 12 is a negative number. When it goes to the right side, it will become a positive number
Positive
12.
number. So but
So
13 is a negative number with still minus plus is equal to plus.
beta 13 is a positive number.
Oh sorry.
जिस नंबर के आगे कोई साइन नहीं हो वो पॉजिटिव नंबर होता है.
Yeah.
So can we have
So
a break
then
after this question?
minus 2x will jump on the left side. It will become 3x plus 2x equals to 25. Smiley यहाँ तक clear है? Smiley, Geetal, Gauri.
Yeah sir. यहाँ तो clear है.
So guys फिर तो बहुत easy है. 5x equal to 25, x equal to 5.
So you divided 5 by 25, right?
Yes.
Okay done. Okay sir. Thank you. So can we have
So
break after one more question?
Sir, I did the opposite on accident. I multiplied
why?
5 by
Candy,
25.
Smiley, understood guys?
So
Sir,
can I have
you
a break after this question? I wanna
25
use
by
that. I wanna
adding
watch the
13 and 12, right?
What did I do? Yes. When I added 13 and 12, I got 25. So Candy understood?
So please don't erase it. I'm just
Yes,
noting
sir.
it down. So can you just wait for a minute? I'm noting it down.
Sir,
It's okay.
but
Yes.
sir, but you have written over here minus.
बेटा ये माइनस किसके साथ है आप मुझे बताओ. नंबर्स के साथ है कि 2x के साथ है?
Sir, 2x.
यस. नंबर्स तो पॉजिटिव है. अगर मैं 57 प्लस 15 माइनस 23 लिखता हूं तो मेरा नेगेटिव नंबर, विच वन इज माय नेगेटिव नंबर? माइनस 23.
Yes, sir.
So that is why.
Okay, sir.
Do you
So
do
done.
still block?
So after this question, sir, can we have a break? I want to watch the room.
What is a break?
Sir, it is
You're
sir, it is
enjoying
when
this
you
break.
watch
It's
the
the
room.
time when we get to rest and relax.
And we watch the room.
It's a period of time when adults get annoyed.
Can you watch the what?
I said watch the room in sir
Oh.
words.
Oh,
Sir,
watch
please
the
can we have
room.
a break? I
Wait,
believe
wait, one
Yes,
so.
second.
sir, we
One
desperately
second.
need to watch the room.
Yes, sir. I
So
will
let
get
us
four.
Alright,
wants to
guys.
go in his chocolate factory.
Sir, can we have?
Okay, I'll give you a 4 minutes break. Fine. Enjoy. Miss Geetal, Gauri, Candy. Guys, so you know linear equation is a part of algebra. Everyone knows that. Zapman and Gauri come back.
Yes, sir.
Everyone come back, guys. Gauri, Smiley. So you know if your algebra is strong, with a half of the higher mathematics will not give you any problem. So most kids, find problem in higher grades because their algebra is not strong. So this is one part that should be very, very strong. So 5x, I will take 10 to the left side first of all. I can take 5x also to the left side, but because in the previous examples I started with numbers, in this question also I'll start with number. I'll change from left to right. So it will be 4x is equal to 5x plus 12 minus 10. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
So then 5x I will bring to the left side. So it will become 4x minus 5x is equal to 12 minus 10 is 2. Any doubts in this?
Yes, sir.
Doubts? Yes or no? Smiley, please look here. Any doubts? Yes or no? So
No.
then what will be 4x minus 5x? Tell me, guys.
Sir,
Minus
1x.
Minus 1x or just x? Minus x is equal to 2, but I want the value of x, not minus x. So either I will multiply both sides by minus 1 or there is a shortcut way. I can just write x equal to minus 2 because I multiplied both sides by minus 1. Why did I multiply both sides with minus 1? Because I want the x as positive. So everyone understood?
yes,
How
sir.
can minus be equal to a positive number? Like, how can minus x be equal to a positive number?
Because
Minus.
beta x is a negative number. Negative of a negative number is a positive number. Got it?
Oh, got it. So that I gave the answer as 2 as first, then because I thought like minus couldn't be the answer, and so then I just changed it.
So this question was once asked in your school exam, Sudhir.
What?
I remember it. Like similar question, not this question, but a similar question. Guys, I am changing the question a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
Wait. Now it's fine.
Okay, this looks very tough.
It's easy, guys. One number to on the right side, one number on the left side. Bring the numbers to the right side. Bring the variable part to the left side. It's not that tough at all. So how many of you have not practiced the worksheets that I sent? Raise your hands. Linear equations worksheets किसने practice नहीं की है, guys? Smiley, आपने practice नहीं की ना?
Sir, I did a few sheets.
Okay. Adya, why? Mahuri, beta, it will be good for you. Mr. Blah and Chetty, इसको practice कर लो guys. Mahuri, it will be good for you.
So see,
Make sure you. Okay. So Candy, you have also not done.
No, sir.
Why, Candy? If you will, practice those worksheets, not only grade 6, but even your grade 7 linear equations will be sorted. Not the word problems part, but solving the linear equations part. You will be sorted for your grade 7 also.
Sir, I'm able to solve the like if it's given, it's more simpler than if I have to make the equation.
But right now the equations that you are making are very easy. And solving is the first part.
So can you explain the above question once again? Sorry, sir.
I can explain it once again. See,
Yes.
Mr. Gauri, last question में क्या हुआ था?
So got
5x was on the right side.
Yes, sir.
It was positive. So I brought to
Yeah.
the left side, it became negative. So 4x minus 5x will give me, it is equivalent to 4 minus 5. 4
Yes.
minus 5 is minus 1. So I will get minus 1x, which can be written as minus x. So minus x is equal to 2.
Yes.
Then I wanted the value of x, so I multiplied both sides with minus 1 and I got x equal to minus 2.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So Gauri, Geet, Candy, should I explain?
So can you just give 1 minute?
Okay. 1 minute has already started.
So can I tell the answer?
Yes.
So 1x is equal to 10.
No. 1x equal to 10.
Sir, can I
Don't
resend my
try to do
answer?
linear equations orally. Don't try to do linear equations orally. So
Oh,
see
sir,
guys,
I have
first of all,
perfect.
I will shift 15 to the right side. So 10x equals to 12x plus 5 minus 15. Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Then I will shift 12x to the left side. It will be
Minus.
10x minus 12x
Which is equal to
equals to
minus.
minus 10. Any doubts in this?
So how minus 10?
Beta 5 minus 15. One is positive, one is negative. Different
Oh, yeah,
signs
okay.
mean subtraction.
Minus 10. Yeah,
And then
minus
we
10.
put the sign. So I will get minus 10. So then minus 2x is equal
Is
to
equal to 10.
minus 10.
the question wrong.
Now,
So
guys, at this very stage, what I can do is I
convert
can
minus
cancel
to
out
plus.
the negatives and I can multiply with minus 1 to both sides to get 2x equal to 10.
But sir, if there was minus on one side and plus on one side, then what would you do?
So where should I put the minus? जैसे यहाँ पे माइनस होता और यहाँ
Yeah.
प्लस होता तो मैं कुछ करता ही नहीं, तो मैं सीधे से 2 को ले जाता. अगर यहाँ
But
माइनस होता, यहाँ प्लस होता, तो मैं क्या करता? I would have transferred this sign to when I multiply with minus 1, ये positive हो जाता, ये negative हो जाता.
okay.
So when you multiply by negative 1, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. But here both are minus, so both will become positive. Now 2 is in multiplication, it will go to the other side and become division.
So
So
answer
x
will be
equal
5.
to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5.
Okay.
And it's plus 5. Now you
Plus 5.
guys till now should know how to check your answer. There is a way to check your answer also in case you are not confident and the equation is simple. Like in this case, these are very, 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 very simple equations.
What?
So how,
So simple?
how, Yes, beta, they are very simple. So how to check? The check thing will be your left hand side. What is your left hand side? Your value of x is 5. So I will put 5. 10 multiplied by 5 plus 15 gives you 65. And your right hand side, 12 multiplied by 5 plus 5 also gives you 65. So because your right hand side, so you write it like this, since LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. This is the way to check your answer for your school exam. And otherwise also, if you want to check your equation, you can check it like this.
So how is it? So from where did you take it?
बेटा इक्वेशन से लिया, यहाँ पे था 10x plus 15, तो
You
10
can
into
Google
5
sir.
plus 15, ये चेक करने का तरीका है.
Sir, why did you do 10 into 5?
Because x
Oh,
की वैल्यू
5.
मेरी 5
Okay,
आई ना.
okay. Okay, sir,
This
got
is a
it.
way to check your equation, Sudharam. How will you
Okay,
check
got
if
it.
your answer is correct or not? There
Yes.
is a linear equations, there is a way to check also. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are simple equations, so you can check pretty easily.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Hanji Geetal, कुछ हमें भी बता दो बेटा. A little bit we can, also get enlightened. A question can be like this also. 17 equal to 4x minus 1.
So my little cousins with Geetal, I think.
So your little cousins are making her speak Hanji.
Oh, here he is.
Oh, little cousin is so sweet.
Yeah, he's only 2 years, almost
I
2.
have a dog for you, little cousin. But kids like colors.
Yeah.
So I have this dolphin also for you. Yes, she responded to dolphin. Yes, she wants it. So Candy, camera on, please.
Okay, this.
So those who got more than 2 questions wrong today will practice these questions once again.
Sir, if we got the same question 2 times wrong.
Then you tell me, I will give you more practice.
Sir, if we copied the question wrong for 3 questions.
Then also you will have to practice.
So, practice
So I
right.
will tell you the winners of this award. The winners of this award are Chatty, Candy, Smiley, Mahuri, iPhone, Gauri, Geet, and Adya. So they are the winners of this award. And the unlucky people who did not get this award are Hacker, UI, Mr. Ba, and that's it. So guys, I am sorry, Mr. Ba, Hacker, and UI, you didn't get this award.
So for the first time, I'm happy that I didn't get any award.
So guys, Smiley, answer bhejo beta. So now what I will do is these are two sides of the weighing balance. I already told you that I like my x terms on the left side and there is no x term on the left side. तो मैं पूरी की पूरी साइड ही shuffle कर देता हूँ. I am just shuffling the whole side, so no sign change is required. Because whatever was in the left side, I kept it on the right, and whatever was on the right, I kept it on the left. You have to think that as a weighing balance. जब आपके weighing balance में एक side weights होते हैं, एक side vegetables or fruits होते हैं. If you shift the fruits to the other side or the the weights to the other side, so nothing will change in the quantity. So same thing I have done here. I have just shifted the sides. Why? Because if I would have given this question, this would have become very easy for you. So that's the reason. Now I will shift 1 to the left side. So 4x will be equal to 17 plus 1, which is 18. So 4x equals to 18, and x is equal to 18 divided by 4, which is equal to 9 by 2. So if your teacher wants, you convert it into mixed fraction also. So how many of you understood this? All right. So Mahuri, Smiley, Hacker, Candy, Adya, understood, not understood?
Yes,
अब UI आप x को right में रख के solve करना चाहते थे. So let me show you that also. Because UI wants to experiment.
Yes,
So
sir.
as I
That's
told
what I
you,
did.
there is nothing wrong with keeping x on the right side. So what will happen? यहाँ पे मुझे 1 को left side ले जाना पड़ेगा. So -1 will become +1. And it will be 4x. थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है ना? It's like the same thing, but it's looking like a little bit
It's
different.
looking
So
like
this will
upside
become
down.
18 equal to 4x. Now this is in multiplication, it will go to the other side and becomes division. So x equal to 18 by 4. Last में final answer same होगा, 9 by 2 equal to x. Now because 9 by 2 equal to x, you will say x equal to 9 by 2. This step I did it first. यहाँ पे ये step आप last में करते हो, मैंने first कर लिया. Because I am used to keeping x on the left side. It's a matter of habit. Okay.
Yes, sir. But sir, I did it like X on the right side only.
Okay. So I know UI, he likes to experiment. So you can experiment, but don't make mistakes, because if you make mistake, then it will not be, All right, guys, और question करना है आज?
Yes, sir. One more.
No.
चलो.
One more.
All right, कर लेते हैं.
So can you give like
Excuse
half
me,
the
sir. So the
Yes.
answer I sent was 9/2. Is it correct? Sir, I didn't understand this question.
Let's
And
simplify.
now, beta, we will discuss about your question later on. चलो guys, मैंने -20 कर दिया. I will give 1 minute.
Sir, why?
Oh no.
The UI gets that reward.
So UI, I told you. Now I will do the same thing. I will shift sides. Whatever is on the right will go to the left. So 5x plus 10 is equal to -20. Any confusion in this question?
No, sir.
Guys, any confusion? So क्यों गलत हुआ Candy, Mahuri?
So why would it be -10? So +10 will go that side and become
बेटा
minus.
मैंने अभी कोई भी साइड चेंज नहीं की. मैंने बस जो राइट साइड था वेइंग बैलेंस से वो लेफ्ट में ले आया, जो लेफ्ट था वो राइट में ले आया. मैंने बस शफल कर दी दोनों साइड्स
Okay.
बिकॉज This is an easier to solve.
Okay.
मैंने अभी किसी एक individual number की side change नहीं की है. I have not changed the side of
Yeah,
any
just
number.
change the whole
I
equation.
just shuffle what was it right. I
Yeah.
can bring to the left. Yeah, when you play a tug of war, can you switch sides? Everyone can
Yes.
switch sides, guys.
Yes, sir.
A team B की position में जा सकती है. If you are playing tennis, you can switch the courts, correct? So
Yes,
I
sir.
have just switched all the numbers from the left to the right and right to the left. I have told you the reason multiple times because I like my variable on the left. Because as a practice, it is easier to solve. So 5x plus 10 will go to the right side. It will become minus 20 minus 10. So 5x will be equal to minus 30.
30, not minus, because minus and minus makes plus.
Plus. Yeah, that's
So
what I
beta
did.
minus and minus.
Oh,
Minus
sir,
and
I got
minus.
it. I got it. They're not together.
X is equal to
Oh, yeah.
minus 30 upon 5, which is equal
Oh,
to
minus
minus 6.
6.
So
Sir, I
Gaurish,
got
loss and loss add हो जाते हैं और वो
Yeah, sir,
together होते
I've
minus
also
sign
done
होते हैं.
in teachers. So, sir, I thought that
Said the answer is
because
6, so that the problem is dotted by what
I
is
thought
pages, but
after
it meant
20.
negative numbers. So, sir,
So
I
I
thought
got
after
Mahuri,
20.
Smiley, and
So I
Candy
thought after
understood.
20 we had a minus sign and before 10 also. So I
Yeah,
thought there
Candy
were
Man
two consecutive
understood.
minuses.
yes.
Candyman understood. Mahuri, what
Yes.
about you?
Sir, I understood. Sir, I got the integer part wrong.
All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.